Another wonderful technology related activity is completing patterns. So I've got some inspirational cards for you here. Patterns that you can print out and you can use, or you can simply create a couple of patterns and then have your children complete them. You also need your loose parts. So let me switch to a bird's eye view and show you how to use patterns to establish a good technology base. Here I have created the beginning of a couple of patterns for my child to complete. So what I'll do is I'll give them the heap of loose parts and I have a couple here for them to complete. So here we see it's honeycomb, cone, honeycomb, cone. So we continue honeycomb, cone, honeycomb, cone. Here we've got egg, coin, coin. So we're going to complete it with egg, coin, coin, egg, coin, coin. And here we've got cone, drop, flower. So we're going to go cone, drop, flower. And we're going to go again cone, drop, flower. Wonderful way for our children to learn how to repeat a pattern is using loose parts.